I think before the break. And we know that sigma squared is 2EH, no, N naught over 2EH. And if we just use this, we go on for a while, and then we can write this as the square root of 6 divided by m squared minus 1 times E A E H divided by n naught, like this. And this EA times EH is our symbol energy. So this is the square root of 6 divided by m squared minus 1 times ES over n naught. Okay. And to relate this to the transmit power, we know that ES is P divided by RS. So if we have a transmit power P, depending on how fast we communicate, we get different ES. And therefore we get different things here, and therefore we get different things in the Q function, and our error probability would be changed. So we can change transmit power or how often we transmit, and that will give us different things that turns out in the Q function here. And tomorrow we will look at some graphs about this to see what the impact is. Okay. It's been a very tough day today for all involved, I think. This material is probably the most theoretically challenging material in the course. So it's okay to feel confused now. But then confusion is just another thing for potential of learning, right? So to go from confusion to knowledge is the process of a university student or a professor for that matter. So try to work with this confusion a little bit until you figure out how things work. And if you have any doubts on how things work, come and talk to me or to Shoaib or Google it or ask your friends, right? Okay, so see you guys tomorrow, hopefully.